Whakawalaya to another vlog, another trip out to look for the perfect boat for our little whanau. So today we only have the two little troopers at the back, Banana and Dose, and Connie and Liani are actually staying with their papa and nana so they can go to school for the rugby trials for Rico. So we are on our way to Wairoa tonight, and Hawke's Bay to check out two boats, and then we should make up our mind about which boat we're going to go for this week. So a bit of a mish. We are currently at Dannevirke now, and then we are probably about an hour away from the first boat. So the plan is to hopefully see the first boat, find some food to eat, and then we will find somewhere to stay, whether we book out an accommodation or we just sleep in the park somewhere. Anyways, keep you guys updated. Oh no, Pacifika. Hello. And this is what we are ordering for dinner. Plus the chips. Looking forward to the feed. Hello? Okay, you can put the phone down, rest your eyes. I just ordered us chicken nibbles. And make sure to check out this place if you're in Hastings, Hawke's Bay. Pacifika halal meats. Lots of meat options.
Yes.
Look where we are, right in public, and this guy decides. Excited about dinner, mate? Hey? Hey, I'm so hungry. Can't wait for dinner. You want to get our inu? Get the whanau one. Other one. Hello, dear. You want to get an inu? This one, thank you. Look, here you go, banana. Thank you, banana. Grab it. What do you say? Thank you. Yeah.
See how red it looks? It got it in Yay! Thank you.
See ya.
See you tomorrow on our way home. Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Anyways, if you are in Hastings, guys, opposite KFC, we've got Pacifika halal meats barbecue place. So looking forward to our nibbles. I'll show you guys in a sec. Here we have our fries. That's some decent sized fries. Whee! Chippy! And in the bag we have aioli. We have that sauce. We have a ranch sauce. And this is the spicy one. With some salad. Hold that in. And over here we have the buffalo one. So
Is that spicy?
this is buffalo banana. Here we are in McDonald's Hastings. We are gonna go and order son a Happy Meal, and hopefully we can also eat in here. So that's where we are now. Surely. Come on then. This way, son, this way. Oh yeah, we can eat in there. Just push, my bro. Push. So, about to try my second spicy nibble. These are on.
I want to dip this in the ranch.
Open the ranch in. I want to see. Mama getting her food. Eat the pipi. Highly recommended. What do you think, banana?
I like the buffalo chicken. The first time I had the fries, they were too salty. But the second time, they were salty.
I actually did an update before, but I just viewed my first boat before, which was a Senator 520, I think. And honestly, honest reviews for what the price the boat is listed for. It's a big 5-meter boat. The guy seemed pretty genuine. He owned 4 boats before, all 4-meter boats, and he just decided that he was going to go for something 5 meters, which is why he got this one, and now he's looking for a bigger boat. So honestly, the condition of the boat looked mean, even though I saw it at night time. You know, he's pretty upfront about everything. Boat's in really good nick, 2014, 2-stroke, 90 on the back of it. Yeah, keep you guys updated. We have just arrived at this random ass camping spot. I don't know if you can see anything. We are right next to the lake, which is literally over there, and way better conditions than last time. The plan is to have a moe, have a rest, and then leave early tomorrow morning. So I'll set up camp in the car as usual. Here's our crying baby. This is our humble setup for the night. Literally just the chairs down and our Subi, and this is how much leg space we have, and we've just laid blankets on the bottom. So I will show you the spot tomorrow, but it is pretty cold tonight, so looking forward to the morning. It is 7 o'clock and we are 1 hour and 10 minutes away from the next boat that we're viewing, but I can't wait to show you guys outside because we are right next to the water. I think we are parked up by Lake Tutira. Lake Tutira. So, show you guys soon. So, good morning.
There's turkeys and peacocks or something.
This is Banana. Awake.
And I just found these weird birds. I don't
Birds. And this is our setup in the back of the Subi.
know. And I found birds. Look,
Birds.
they're red birds.
Anyways, this is where we are. We found this on the side of the lake. Turkeys over there, which is pretty crack up. Man, this is such a wicked space. Honestly, like, yeah, not bragging, but this is what we woke up to this morning. Right next to Lake Tutira. And I kid you not, this tree looks like it's been here for ages. And right over there is State Highway 2. Anyways, I just wanted to share about this whole journey of buying a boat. I bought a dinghy, very impulsive purchase last year, and didn't like the feel of that, so we actually ended up getting rid of that. And yeah, kind of been watching lots of YouTube and then just felt inspired to get another bigger boat, so that's why we ended up, well, we are here today. Spent probably the past month trolling TradeMe, Facebook Marketplace, asking lots and lots of questions to people, doing lots of reading on different forums, and yeah, like, man, this whole boat thing is it's actually a journey in a bit. Pays to know, you know, what you want in a boat, because what I've noticed is that every boat's different, you know, and there's no perfect boat. One boat will not have what the others have, so I guess I've kind of set myself up for failure in a sense, where I've looked at so many options. Stabies, of course, the number one at the moment, and that's mainly because they do a bloody good job marketing, and that seems to be a lot of the stuff on YouTube with the boat reviews. And that's the only other thing with the other boat brands, is there's not much content on YouTube or reviews about them, so thank goodness there's forums online where people share thoughts about other boats. So yeah, we've drove into New Plymouth, did an overnighter there, as you guys would have seen. Today we are up Hawke's Bay ways, pushing as far as Wairoa. So yeah, it has been a bit of a mish. Unfortunately I have to drag the whanau over because I don't like driving by myself, so the missus unfortunately has to be part of this. But yeah, if you are looking to buy a boat, honestly it's not an easy process. This is my first probably big boat, and you know, like, boats aren't cheap, and the reality is, you know, you look at spending 20-30k on a boat, which will probably sit in the garage and be used maybe 10 times a year until summer. But you know, like, there is potential for adventures as well. So yeah, just wanted to share that this morning. I guess for me, one of the reasons why I really wanted to get a boat was, yeah, this season I haven't played much rugby as well due to my injury. I'm 36 years old, and you know, it kind of dawned upon me that the whole rugby scene's going to be finishing very soon, a couple more years. And then yeah, I'm going to have to look for a new hobby, something that I can you know, get out and do. And I think fishing will be a perfect one for me, considering that, you know, it's outdoors. I can take the whanau out, learn how to fish, and also put food on the table. So that's probably, you know, going a bit deeper with the reasoning and stuff. Also on my bucket list, I really wanted to take my dad out fishing. I know we grew up in islands fishing off the rocks, and coming over to NZ would be cool to take him out on the boat and, you know, watch him catch some snapper and some different species. So yeah, lots of whys. Is it going to be a justified purchase? Who knows? We can only try and see. And at the end of the day, I really just want a boat that has everything. Safety is really important, you know, packed with features. If you're spending, you know, 30k, you shouldn't have to worry about, you know, oh, I need to buy this and that for the boat. So that's where we are. We will keep you guys updated, and this is, yeah, just my thoughts on purchasing a boat. Go kia. Just walking around the campsite. There is another whanau on the other side. I think there's a toilet here as well. Looks like there's water access as well. This is a Freedom camping site. Probably 20 minutes out of Napier. And it's called Tutira Wildlife Refuge and Country Park. So we were so lucky to stumble upon this place last night. It has some bush walks, 2-hour walks, 20 minutes. There's some tramping ones as well. Tramping tracks. Camping, designed for camping. Boating, no motorised craft permitted on lakes. Please wash your boat and equipment to remove weed and prevent it. No motorised craft permitted. Fishing licensing required for trout fishing. Yeah, so you need a license for trout fishing. And yeah, more information. Campsite has 30 sites and motorhomes are welcome. Basic facilities, drinking water and toilets. A donation of $5 per night for a family is suggested. Lake Tutira is a pleasant lake to fish. It holds a large population of trout, which is cool. The lake can be subject to toxic algae blooms. Do not enter the lake if signs advise of occurring. And then camping code. Be a tidy Kiwi, basically. But yeah, really cool spot. Lots of open space. Kids can just hang out and run around. I wonder if there's a boat ramp then, because no motorised craft in the lake. Maybe you are allowed a kayak and stuff. Stop the spread of kayak hire. Yep, you can do kayak hire. Welcome to... Little man's out. Come on, son. This way. I know there's lots of sticks. The man just loves holding sticks. Come on, do your swing. Are you warm, bro? Yeah. So there's a swing in this Randomly smart. And this is pretty much all camping spot here to that toilet.
Wait, where did the turkeys even come from?
I don't know, they're just local.
Can we go see them?
Yeah, just go.
Are those
You're camouflaged with your top anyway, so they can't see you.
Wait, they can't see green.
Go. Honestly, man, this is such a beautiful open space. Like, ridges over there. Hey? And there's my little boy. Hey, son! You gonna jump on the slide? On the swing? Say, Morena! Morena! Hey! Come on, bro, you're always half asleep. Say hi, sissy.
Why are turkeys fat?
Because they just are. What happened? Good mama, run! 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 Boat. At least done that winch system before. Anchor well. Got the cleat up top. So you need something to stop the chain rubbing. Anti-Minn Kota drive. I don't know if that's a ding or not, but hull is in good condition on this side. Let me scrape over there. Bottom looks pretty good. A few scrapes. The aluminium for its age. Side cleats for tying the boat. Attached to the boat side lights.
It's definitely going though. I just flooded it.
Happy grab rail. Ladder.
So
wiring is pretty tidy, a big boat.
this I have this block here.
Yeah, I was going to say just to stop it.
Because they have got just the flip down one here.
Yeah.
But they recommend not to travel on that
Yeah, lots of.
Because what can happen
So-
is you hit a big pothole and it goes up and down, and then it can crack through there. So
Yeah.
just put that one in there, and then
Oh yeah, at least got a bit of cushion as well, eh?
yeah.
Easy as. Pretty good. Cuddy space in there, battery. Chair, one chair. 1 tow tank. Filter. There she is. Done 204 hours. So we are now in Wairoa. We just viewed the 509 Stavey. We got a bit lost at the start, but we eventually found his house. Yeah. So yeah, no, boat looked really good. Obviously you guys would have seen the boat's in pretty good condition. Like a few minor scuffs here and there, obviously boat of its age. But the guy seemed pretty genuine, like he was cool as to talk to. Ended up talking about other bits and pieces. But yeah, he showed us the boat. Just needed a bit of a kickstart, and then when the outboard motor was warm, he just fired up first go. It is a bigger boat than the 459, with more space, more practical space. I guess the cons for me is the chair, only one chair, and also the battery housing with the, because it's taking up the cuddy space, which we were hoping for the kids to sit in. So probably need to look at rewiring that if we do go for this option. The boat is listed on Trade Me for 28, I think. We spoke on the phone, he was willing to do 25. I think 24 would be a sort of a good spot. So yeah, we'll make a call. The bro's gonna, he's on message offered to drop the boat back to Palmy, which is cool. But yeah, we'll see how we go anyways. But that is boat number 2. If you're driving on State Highway 2 between Napier and Wairoa, make sure to stop off at the One Stop Kai Shop. As you can see, they do lots of variety of different foods, and if you can see on the bottom of that list, it's power pies. So they do sell power pies. Unfortunately, because I am on keto, I can't have one, which absolutely sucks, because I have resisted the urge to get one. But they're $8.50. They do have large ones for $15, which is pretty cool. And they also sell kinners, lots of other hot food, fish and chips. They've got it all. And yeah, and funny also because they do have afterpay, which is crazy. And the lady was saying that is mainly for people who won lots of kinner punnets. So if you won kinners, $38 on afterpay, you can get kinner punnets here. Cheers. That is the cream power. Oh, that's the cream power there. That looks pretty nice, and that goes on top of the chips.
Pie.
That's a little pie there.
Steam pudding heated. And then
Banana. You can have some hot chips with son.
well, everyone's stopping here.
These are the conditions out here. I reckon this is where ham and Thai comes to fish.
Yeah, but it just drops up there, so it's quite dangerous. You wouldn't swim.
Yeah, but obviously that's good for fishing. So.
Yeah.
It looks fishy. Yeah, I reckon this is where he comes fishing actually. Because I've seen him over. Yeah, he actually has been over here. We're just stopping in Napier to get a ice cream and coffee before we shoot back to Hastings. And here we are. That is the main strip there.
I just broke my...
Trying ice cream. What flavour you got? Chocolate? And what flavour did you get?
Sour grape strawberry.
Ew.
What?
Sour. What did you get, son?
I love sour.
Chocolate. Yum. What's up, what's up, what's up? We just stopped in Napier to have a break. It's been a long day driving.
No.
Kids are restless, the drivers are restless.
I know these.
Yeah. Who thought buying a boat would be so hard? But yeah, just wanted to share my view. We just parked up along the beach in Napier. It's raining. So yeah, this is the good thing about the Pacifika. Really nice massive space. Oh, literally just pulled up, got the boot open, and that's the beach over there and the water. It's pretty flat. Currently at, guess the place, Popeyes. We are at Popeyes now. First time trying Popeyes. Yeah, we're gonna order some chicken. Let's see if it's better than KFC. So see how we go. Down now. Get off. Yongi. Yummy. Gee, so just trying out Popeyes for the first time. The nibbles, the spicy nibbles. It's got a bit of a kick to it. I think flavour wise I prefer the wicked wings, but if you like the spicy, there is a bit of a kick. Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Don't eat the bone. Okay, we'll eat the bone.
Russell's got his own piece of chicken over there, chippies, and mac and cheese or banana. Try mac and cheese banana.
Yes, boss. Yes, one. No, don't eat them the one you have the big thing.
What's the burger?
This is a chicken sandwich. Mild, not spicy.
And chicken burger.
Yes. It's got chicken, mayo, pickled cucumbers.
Anyways, so just to conclude the video, it's been a super long day. We left at 7 last night. Spent a day and a half in Napier, and we are finally back at home. It's 8 o'clock. Just finished my coffee, so I've got enough energy to go to the gym. But yes, hopefully by the end of this week we will decide we've narrowed it down to 2 boats, the Stavey 1450 and the Senator in Napier, which is a really lovely boat. So price difference, one is 32.5, 33 for the Stavey smaller boat, or the Senator 520, which is a 5 meter boat, is at 29.5. So we'll have a talk, we'll have a think about it, but we need to make a call by the end of this week. So we will keep you guys updated, and the next video we will show you the boat that we went with. So thank you to my team that have accompanied me to the Hawke's Bay.
To your driver.
Dose, Tiana, and to the Uber driver. We did our shifts today, which was good. So travel far, go with somebody that can drive, someone that has a license, preferably, and somebody that will keep you awake on the trip. So been a lovely day, lots of eating, lots of just chilling, and really enjoyed the sleeping spot. That was probably the highlight for me, was sleeping and waking up at the lake this morning, because we'll probably do another mission out those ways with our boat, hopefully in the near future. So signing off, go away for watching, and goodbye to future me and my future kids.